Okay, hey guys, today we're going to talk about Sunshade. Alright, this is Ninja Sunshade. I got it from Danau Kota. Alright, so this is bendable. You can bend it like that, and the best part is it's magnetic. Alright, so all you have to do is just like this is for Nissan Serena, yeah. Nissan Serena C26, which means even the 2017 model also can have. So right now the one I have is 2017, and I got it for RM 250 ringgit. I'll post a link underneath of where I got it from, and I'll put the price there as well. So all you have to do is it's easy. Just put it up like that. See, it's magnetic, yeah, it's sticking. Alright, so all you have to do is just put it like that. Just put it in, and voila, it's done. Alright, so just to show you around, I'll put on for the car as well, the back. And this is how it looks like in the inside. Oh, it comes also for the back. So the total pieces of 7 pieces. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the sliding door, and 7 on it. So that's it. It's a sunshade. It's called Ninja Sunshade. That I got it from Danau Kota. We'll do more reviews on Nissan Serena. Hope you subscribe and give it a thumbs up.